Welcome back to my channel. So this is a look that you're going to be seeing today. It's a very light, soft pink look with a nice bold lip. I used all NYX products, as you can tell by the title of this video. So if you guys want to see how this look was achieved, please stay watching. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in with the NYX Angel Veil Face Primer, and we're going to put that all over our face. Make sure it's nicely even coated. Once we're done with putting on our primer, we're going to go in with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and I am the color Buff, which is number 10. And I apply that all over the face, and then I buff it out with my foundation brush here. This is the Morphe foundation brush. Once I do that, I take the beauty sponge and I sponge it away. Make sure I just take out all excess of foundation on my face. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Proof It Eye Primer and apply that on my eyelids and make sure we get that nice and coated. And I go over it with this NYX Banana Powder in the Contour Kit. And I just do this so that way when I apply the shadow, it goes on nice and soft and easy. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. I put this on my eye because I tend to have dark circles. Now, I didn't have an NYX concealer, so I used my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I put that under our eyes and then anywhere you want a highlight to be. So I do the bridge of my nose and my chin and right above my Cupid's bow. And just use the beauty sponge and smooth that out. Now going in again with the NYX contour, I'm going to take the banana powder and set my under eye with that. Now I'm going to take the NYX Brow Gel in dark brown and I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now I kind of skipped over this part because it takes forever to do eyebrows and I'm sure you don't need to see this. So now with the palette Wicked Dreams by NYX, I'm going to take this light pink shade and we're going to use this as our transition shade, and we're just going to apply that all over our eyelid using soft strokes and windshield wiper motion. Now with the NYX Love in Rio in the color Nighttime in Rio, we're going to go in with that really pretty dark pink eyeshadow. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to focus this more on the crease of our eye and using windshield wiper motions go back and forth. And just take a little bit at our time because we want to work in that color and start deepening it. Now going back to the Wicked Dreams palette, we're just going to take that light pink and just smooth out the top. And now going in with NYX Ultra Pearl Loose Pigment in Baby Pink. I'm going to apply that to the center of the eye. Now I had to use a little bit of Fix Plus on this brush just to make sure that I get the brightest and make sure that pigment really comes out. So just spray a little bit of Fix Plus on your brush and then apply it. And I kind of just dab it on my eye and focusing that on our middle of our eye to our inner corner. And now with the other palette, Voodoo Love Spells, we're going to go with that medium brown in the middle, the dark brown, and we're going to apply that to the outer corner of our eye and bring it towards our inner corner slightly. And you want to go a little bit at a time because you want to just build this color. I just wanted to deepen the outer edge a little bit. Once I deepened it, I went back with that bright pink from the other palette. And I just went over the dark brown because I wanted just to make that pink just a little bit darker in the inner corner, in the outer corner of my eye. Now we're just going to brush away the banana powder that we had put to set our under eye. Make sure it's nice and clean so we can start working on our lower eyelid. Going in with that baby pink in the Wicked Dreams palette, we're going to start off by applying that in our lower eyelid area, and then going in with the bright, like hot pink color. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with the baby pink. We're going to go over that with the brighter pink. Now with the eyeliner pencil, we're going to go in with this plum purple, deep purple color. And we're going to focus this towards our waterline. You want to put it right up against your waterline just to deepen it a little bit. And then we're going to take a brush and we're going to lightly go over that again just to buff it out, so it's not a harsh line. Now I'm going in again with the contour palette. I'm going to mix these two browns together, and we're going to use this to contour our cheeks, around our hairline, our nose, and underneath our chin area. Then I'm going to use the blush by NYX called Hamptons, which is number 19, and just slightly put just a little bit on the cheeks. We don't want too much of it because it's very pigmented. Now taking the NYX Epic Black gel liner. I started using this and then I realized that the gel liner was a little bit dry. I've had this quite a while, so I just did a little outline with it, and then I went over it with the NYX liquid eyeliner in black, and I went over it just to darken it a little bit more and make our wing. Now I didn't do too much of a dramatic wing, just a little wing would do just fine, but if you'd like, you could go dramatic with it. Next, I took the NYX black eyeliner pencil and I just focused that in our waterline. With that contour palette, I took the first color that was there, which is a bright like white highlight, and I just applied that to our upper cheeks and the bridge of my nose, and of course over the Cupid bow. Next, we're going to apply these falsies. Now, I don't have the name of these falsies. I had taken the box and threw it away, but I did use the Lash Duo adhesive, and we're just applying the falsies here. Now, skipping all of that, once the falsies are on, I want to apply mascara to my lower lashes. I didn't have an NYX mascara, so I used the Maybelline Big Shot mascara just for my lower lashes. Now, we're going to go in with the lip liner in Bloom number 836 by NYX, and we're going to apply this to our lips. Now I have pretty plumpy lips, so I do not overline my lips at all. I just kind of go right against the line and I just line my lips that way. Once I line my lips, I'd like to fill in with the lip liner, fill in the lips a little bit, just so that way whatever lipstick or lip gloss I put on over it has a base underneath it, so it just makes the lipstick last a little longer. The lipstick here that I'm using is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Spice Cake, number 12. And I thought this was a beautiful color to go on with this eye look. Since the eye look is very soft, I figured a nice bold lip would go great with this. And this is the final look. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell. I try posting a video at least twice a week, definitely once a week. So yes, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.